Hello and welcome to the cello tutorials. For those who just joined us, my name is Sophie Kotwari and I'm a private teacher and deputy at the Royal College of Music in London. Let's start. If you haven't checked the lesson number 3, please do so, because this lesson will be really similar. As you already know, the notes on the fingerboard, they go parallel. Therefore, we will build up the notes on the A string the same way we did on the D string. Let's start with an open A string. Prepare your right hand for the pizzicato. In this case, the first finger and the thumb should be at the same line if you're plucking with the index finger. The rest of the fingers are freely falling down. Prepare the first position with your left hand, and we already spoke how to find the first position, so please check those videos as well. Pluck the note A. Now try to hear in your head the note B. That will help you to understand if your played note is in tune or out of tune. So let's start one more time. Pluck note A. A. And now hear the note B. B. Prepare the first finger and then pluck. That's it. Now, if the first finger is the note B, then the second finger will be the note C natural. And check the distance between the fingers. To remember, if you're not using the cello tapes, check with the 1 finger distance. Here it is. And now try to sing the note C. C. And then after C comes C sharp. Check the distance. And C sharp. Here it is. The 4th finger goes for the note D. Check the distance and D. And we can check it with an open D. The open D and the 4th finger D makes an interval which we call octave. And let's do it one more time. We're gonna play and sing. A, B, C, C sharp and D. And don't forget to check. Your thumb shouldn't press. So the finger should be falling down or sinking into the fingerboard. The wrist should be straight. Check the knuckles, they should be curved. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, please ask, comment below. If you like this video, put the thumb, share with your friends if you think that they need a little extra help with their studies, and don't forget to subscribe. If you need an extra help with the first position, there is a separate video how to establish and secure the first position with the very good exercises, and you already can see the link, so just click it and we'll see you the next time.